guys, it's me. I am doing the Birchbox April review. Here is the nice box. I really like this box. It's so springy and colorful. Let's see what we got this time. This is the little card that tells everything that comes into the box. So it looks like we have number 4 volumizing shampoo. It's a nice sample there. It's an ounce. We also have Wish Shave Cream and Blueberry. Smells really good. A nice little sample there. Let's open this up and see what we have. We have Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute Peel. I don't really use peels. They kind of scare me a little bit. So I probably will not try this. I'm really scared that something's going to go really bad wrong and it's not going to be good. So. And then we have the Pop Beauty Pop Portfolio Eyeshadow Palette in Peach Parfait. This is the sample that I actually chose. I really like eyeshadows in a neutral color. And these are all neutral colors and they're really nice. So that is it for the Birchbox April box. I hope you guys like it. Make sure please subscribe. Go to my website maggiestruth.com to read more reviews. If you want me to review something for you, you can contact me there and we can make it happen. Thanks a lot guys for watching. See you later. Bye.